Hi, welcome to Warehouse ID Tips and Tricks. My name is Thomas from Rack ID, and in this series we're gonna share with you some of our knowledge. Today we're gonna be diving into the world of rack labels. Let me show you some of the key features. Here are a few examples of labels for different applications. First, we have our standard label, used on pallet racks. It's very durable and scratch resistant. Next, we have a magnetic label. It has a firm hold, is durable and yet can be repositioned. Following up, we have a freezer grade label. Its innovative strong fixation method does not use adhesive, making it more sustainable, and it can be easily removed or repositioned if needed. The printing quality of a label is crucial when it comes down to efficiency. Here's an example of a good quality label that's very scratch resistant, and here's a lower quality label that can be easily damaged. A low quality label like this can cause scanners to fail to read the barcode. It can take multiple tries, different angles. It is both annoying and inefficient. So our suggestion is stick with the right label the first time. Join me the next time for more rack label features, and please visit rackid.eu for a closer look at the right labels for you. Thank you for watching, and I see you next time.